Tak.number is cycling 74 max external object. It is an extended number box with powerful filters. Of course it has same features with normal max number box. One of powerful extended features is various mathematical messages. You can add, subtract, multiply and more calculate just by sending message. Increment message works like Increment object. Init value attribute enable you to initialize value to 0 by clicking with modifier key. Get message output stored value from only right outlet and no trigger value from left. Of course, tak.number support the same functions with normal max number box, such as display formats, tracking value, preset and patche storage support, style and color and so on. There is also a trial version which has limitations. Just try this powerful extended number box.